How to factory reset SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset SteelSeries X Pro Mini. So the steps are the same no matter which keyboard you use. It's quite simple. So first of all, you need to hold down the media button until the OLED screen pops up with a menu, and then use the scroll wheel to go down to settings and click with the wheel. Scroll down in that menu to the factory reset option and click it. Finally confirm your choice by selecting yes, and that's it. You're setting a factory reset. And if this method doesn't work with you, then you can try another method, like hold the media button located under the scroll wheel until you are the OLED menu. Scroll down to about and press the scroll down wheel to select it, and then scroll down to factory reset. Press the scroll wheel to select it, and yes, select, and let your keyboard complete the process. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.